I'm Sarah and I'm a recorder player. I am obsessed with K-pop. My kid is obsessed with K-pop. Predictably, KPopDemon Hunters has taken over our house. Here is a tutorial for Golden. Before we start, there's one important thing to know. You may notice that the beginning and the end feel slower than the main part of the song. The main song is in 12/8. That means 4 beats in a bar, each divided into 3. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1. But the intro and the outro do something really cool. They create a cross rhythm. We take those 12 beats and instead of making 4 groups of 3, we make 3 groups of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So even though this beat continues, when we go to the main part of the song and we make an accent every 3 beats, ba, ba, in effect, the main pulse has sped up. Isn't that cool? Just follow along with me and you'll be fine. So I'm going to play. You can follow my fingers or the letters on the screen. And if you want to get your hands on the actual sheet music, stay tuned for the end of the video. I'm going to tell you where you can download it. Let's go. That was golden. I hope you had as much fun playing it as I did. I have made an arrangement of this, and I have two versions for the soprano recorder and also for the alto. I'll put a link in the description where you can go and buy it. And if you haven't started learning the recorder yet, but you would like to, I recently published the official Hal Leonard recorder method by me, Sarah Jeffery. This teaches you everything you need to know to start the recorder, including over 40 tutorial videos, so you can see and hear what I'm talking about. Links in the description too. That was it. As always, you can subscribe to my channel by clicking on my face down here. Over here is the Team Recorder Patreon, where you can support the channel and hear some more videos. Thanks and have a great day. Bye!